Number 82, if f prime is that, then f has a local maximum at x is equal to what, right? So you can just literally punch that into your calculator. And when you do that, I'm going to use my standard coordinate, negative 10 to 10. Your graph is going to look something like this. It's a cubic function that looks something like that, right? And since you want the maximum, that's probably a place where your slope was increasing, so your graph was increasing, and then it hit the maximum, and then it came down, right? AKA, that's the point where your slope was positive before, and then your slope now becomes a 0, and then now the slope becomes negative. So, since this is the f prime graph, let's figure out where the transition happens for your slope to go from positive to negative. So if you look at that point right there, that's actually from negative to positive, so that's a no-no. And if you take a look at over here, that's actually from positive to negative, so I like that. Let's just double check. That point right there, that goes from negative to positive, that's a no-no. So we're talking about that point right there. So we can go ahead and just use the function in our calculator to figure out the 0, so you don't have to actually calculate it in hands. And when you guys find that out, that's where x is equal to 0.35 that I get in my calculator, which is why answer choice C is correct.